Hi guys, welcome over to my YouTube, and today I'm going to do something special. And yeah, I'm stopping the live stream for a few hours. So so today I'm gonna do how you build a server. And honestly speaking, a lot of people don't know how to build a server. So before I start, I'm going to tell you that server can be fun and can be only used by well-trained professional. I'm just gonna build one server real quick and then I will step by step tell you. So I'll be right back when I'm about to start. And yeah, just a quick disclaimer, I don't own the music. So that's a real quick check. So I gonna build this server real quick. Usually you won't get it, but you have to go training for it. Then the lecturer will give you something like a simulator for it. Real quick, I'm gonna set this to 2048. Yeah, create a VDI. Next. Next. Let's change this to 20 gig. Create. So that's your server. But real quick, you're gonna go ahead and start. The installation will take a while. Honestly speaking, I haven't used this server for quite long and it will take a while. Should be this. Let's minimize the article real quick and I'm gonna stretch out this other way. So go ahead and click next when you get the installation. So install now. The setup will take quite a while, so it will be temporarily. In the meantime, we can spend time listening to the music while the installing is gonna take up maybe 15 minutes or so, I'm not sure. Usually I don't. And you will get this. Which one do I check? It's either one of these, but yeah, I'm gonna click next. I accept. Upgrade. Wrong information. Very nice. Go ahead, click next all the way. I'm just gonna real quick click on next. I accept and custom and override the 20 gig that I given. Keep in mind this is a virtual machine, so it won't affect your network or your hard drive. It's just like simulate what is going on in the data center, but in the meantime it's also helping out to the viewers that data security analytic is way harder, so the installation is gonna take a while. I'm gonna drag this real quick. So what's the purpose of this video is how you configure a server. Like a server that can tell you sorry, excuse me. I'll be right back real quick. You love funny and me too. I want when I come through. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you. I spent last night on the last flight to you. We took a whole day up, trying to get way up, ooh. And I'm back. Sorry about that, my nose is allergic to dust. And just that I'm having a very bad day. But the video must go on every day. And I gonna like do some basic command and everything on the server, so this is targeting the audience that going to school or whatever. Go ahead and restart now. Don't need to do anything, just ignore that real quick and click on X. I'll be right back. Like you, yeah, 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 yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, 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 yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah.
Tubal, hoping for fun.
I just had to go and grab my trusty old server book. I've been in that valley, you ain't been up off that porch. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Country ain't for me, this ain't what it seems. Born in Trinidad, moved in Nashville, Tennessee. Went to college up in Boston, it was freezing. All my country girls chasing dreams down in Atlanta, yeah. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Okay. Now you will face this, so let's key in the password.
old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to that old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm at a party I don't wanna be at, and I don't ever wear a suit and tie yet. Wondering if I could sneak out the bed. Nobody's even look at me in my eyes. Let me take my hand, finish my drink, say, shall we then? You know I love you till every day. You make it better like that.
Have to restart.
At this party, everyone's got so much to say. Yeah, I always feel like
Trouble about the server is you need to use the virtual keyboard. They won't allow you to use the keyboard that is previewed.
all the bad things disappear. And you're making me feel like maybe I am somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah. 'Cause I don't care, long as you just hold me near. You can take me anywhere. And you're making me feel like I'm loved by somebody. I can deal with the bad nights.
Exit that real quick. Should not have a problem.
We at a party we don't wanna be at.
Let's input keyboard. Key in the password that I built.
I don't care when I'm with my baby, yeah. All the bad things disappear. And you're making me feel like maybe I am somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah. 'Cause I don't care.
This will take a while.
Hold me near. You can take me anywhere. And you're making me feel like I'm loved by somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby.
There we go. So you're in the computer. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna teach some serious command and data analytic, like how you can use a window to teach you some stuff. Basically, I haven't touched this. Click on cancel, you will get a server manager pop-up. What you're gonna do is like ignore whatever is giving, and then I will do something else with it.
I don't wanna know, no, no, no. Taking you home, oh, oh, oh. Love you so, 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 so. The way I used to love you, no, I don't wanna know, no, no, no. Taking you home, oh, oh.
So this is something like a Windows 10, but with extra feature. So let's go ahead and open up this internet configuration. Go to change adapter settings option. You will see an alternate. So go ahead and right click on it. Go to properties. Here's a trick. You can change your IP from IPv4 to IPv6 by disabling one of them. For example, I no longer use IPv4. Who knows, maybe in the future don't have IPv4 anymore. Then go ahead and click OK. Then go ahead and type in command prompt real quick. It will take a while. If not, I can just right click. Seriously, it's not showing up. Okay, that's very odd.
But I gotta put in work. I ain't gotta go to work. But you gotta do the work.
File Explorer.
We can work from home. We can work from home. Let's put it in motion. Girl, give me a promotion. Let's make it feel like a vacation, a bed to an ocean. We don't need nobody, I just need your body. Nothing but sheets in between us, ain't no getting up early. You know I'm always
Very odd.
and you can stand these nights alone.
PowerShell is also usable.
But I gotta put in work. I ain't gotta go to work.
So this will like tell me things. Apparently CMD was disabled. Whoops.
We couldn't turn around till we were upside down. I'll be the bad guy now,
Absent featured.
but no, I ain't too proud. I couldn't be there, even when I tried. You don't believe it. We do this every time. Seasons change and our love will cold.
let's go ahead and okay, so I've not managed to get command prompt running. What about, let's see if I can get it installation first.
Say so. I knew that this was doomed from the get-go. You thought that it was special, special, but it was just a sex doll, and I still hear the echoes, I got a feeling that it's time to let it go, let it go. Seasons change and all the words cold. See the flame 'cause we can't let go. Run away, but we're running in circles. Run away, a day to do something. I'm waiting on you again, so I don't take the blame. Run away, but we're running in circles. Run away.
Yeah, PowerShell don't read it.
Maybe you don't understand what I'm going through. It's only me. What you got to lose? Make up your mind. Tell me what are you gonna do? It's only me. Let it go. Seasons change and all the words cold.
But you can also use this as a like how you can configure and optimize your system, like how you can indicate the system is working fine.
Again, so I don't take the blame. Run away, but we're running in circles. Run away, run away, run away.
Go to performance monitor and you will have these settings really different.
Everything's been so messed up here lately. Pretty sure he don't wanna be my baby. Oh, he don't love me, he don't love me, he don't love me, he don't love me, but that's okay. 'Cause I love me, I love me,
Go to network data.
anyway.
I'm going to like select a few of these.
It's gonna be a good life. That's what my therapist say. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be just fine. It's gonna be a good, good life. I'm a mess. I'm a loser. I'm a hater. I'm a user. I'm a mess.
This will monitor whatever is running.
I'm embarrassed. I don't trust no one around us. I'm a mess. Oh, you love it. You. Nobody shows up unless I'm failing. Have a drink on me just to that failing. Oh, he don't love me, he don't love me, he don't love me, he don't love me, but that's okay.
And you can see all this. This will tell you your performance of the computer and your network performance, so it's not really affecting your PC.
Everything's gonna be just fine. It's gonna be a good, good life. I'm a mess. I'm a loser. I'm a hater. I'm a user. I'm a mess. Oh, you love it. You. I'm obsessed.
So tiring.
I'm a mess. Oh, you love it. You. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be just fine. It's gonna be a good, good life. You call me, you're all friendly, telling me how much you miss me. That's fine.
honey, I guess you've heard my song. I'm too busy for your business. Go find a good ones to listen. Cause if you think I was born yesterday, you have got me wrong. So I cut you off, I don't need your love. Cause I already cried enough, I've been done. I've been moving on since we said goodbye. I cut you off, I don't need your love.
And you can add row as well if you really want to, but I don't.
Tell you why. You say you're sorry, but it's too late now. So save it, get gone, shut up. Cause if you think I care about you now, well boy, I don't give a fuck. I see you trying to get to me. I see you begging on your knees. Boy, I don't give a fuck. So stop trying to get to me. Get up off your knees. Cause boy, I don't give a fuck about you. No, I don't give a damn. You keep reminiscing on when you were my man, but I'm over you. Now you're all in the past. You took all the sweet talk, but I ain't coming back. Cut you off, I don't need your love. So you can try.
There's a bunch of this administrator tool that you probably will need.
You say you're sorry, but it's too late now. Save it, get
You'll need around classes time. You will learn how to like add row, how to add this stuff, like all this important stuff.
see you begging on your knees. Boy, I don't give a fuck. So stop trying to get to me. Get up on your knees. Oh, I don't give a fuck.
And you can also learn how to do this troubleshooting real quick. Just change the adapter settings option. You can see properties here real quick. So yeah, I removed the IPv4, so you can use IPv6. But if you look in a different perspective, like a normal window, like a normal window 10, you will have a chance to use command prompt, and command prompt will indicate which IP you're using. If you're using IPv4, years ago, IPv4 was like configured as what do you call it? Outdated. But a lot of people will still think years ago there is data scientists saying that IPv4 can be outdated by IPv6. But however, IPv6 is also can be used. But IPv6 give you advanced feature, where IPv4 is more or less standard. For example, IPv6, and you'll see this You can go ahead and click Advanced, DNS and IP settings. You can also use your current IP address and everything to configure this. For example, I changed my DNS to 255.255.0.0. Two five four dot 254.25 dot 0. Let's change the on top settings real quick. Click on OK, and you can see it will tell you automatically this is not a validated IP. The DNS server must match to the on top version. The 255 is 255. You cannot change to 254. So go ahead and click OK and click cancel. If you want to, it's still not gonna affect you too much. It's just that you land yourself into certain configuration issue. But if you're data administrator and you need to like configure, you will definitely need to go through all this. Computer management is also the same. It's just like how you configure. You will see task skills and everything, event viewers as well. And this indicate a log where you can see when and how your PC was crashed. Like blue screen of death, you will definitely see this here. You'll see error, critical, and warning. But it's not really something that you need to do. It's just like this will tell you all sort of things. And you also have local user guild performance monitor, like earlier I showed you already. And you got Windows Server backup. This will only happen when you need to configure Windows Server backup. But during the configuration in class, you will learn how to build a user and a group, and you will learn how to remove the user. The user have to stay, that's for sure, and then remove one of the user because you will be configuring two user. For example, Benjamin, you are installing for Benjamin, and then another user is Jennifer. Then Jennifer left the office, so Benjamin is the only user. You can go ahead and delete Jennifer from there, so the Jennifer file will be disappeared. And you will learn how to use the Windows backup server is like deleting a important file, but you can re-get back whatever is deleted. And you can surprisingly can't find it here also. I won't teach you this because the lecturer will teach you in advance, like how to do this and that. I don't want to go through all this. Then you can go ahead and do whatever you want on the system. This is technically like how you can configure a Windows server. This is simulate like a real world problem and what you can do between Windows Server to Windows Server. Usually this happen when data analytic or then data entry, and then you will have issues where you can't configure. And I was taught by Miss Karen Tiong, a Microsoft certified user. Let me see. "20 years of IT experience, technical skills, hands-on, and considering IT infrastructure." And get this, Microsoft Certified Trainer, MCT EC Consult Certified, and Infrastructure CEI Trainer and Assessor and Consultant. That's her profile. But if you go to her LinkedIn profile, you can see MS like MTA, MCSA, CCSA, a lot of this certified stuff in advanced scholarship. You will have idea how to get a like how you can get the certification by Microsoft. I'm just I train under her and she's very good. But keep in mind, don't do mistake. If you do mistake, and she can crash your entire career. Oh my god. So yeah, I wouldn't want to cross platform with her, but time to time, she's good. Just go ahead and shut down the system. And there, you can learn how to configure it on your own. And if you're really interested on how you can get a hold on a BDI like that, you can go and like search it up. Like, I'm gonna pull it up real quick. Windows Server 2019. And you can see the pricing. It's not really crazy, but the one that I'm using earlier is about 4,000 plus. Yeah, this is the page, Microsoft official website. Just let it load for now. And you can find a lot of things here. Windows 10, and you still can download.
Can I tell you something just between you and me? When I hear your voice, I know I'm finally free.
Usually you can find it, like you will find a lot of stuff.
I need you here with me.
But I'll link it down in the description how you can direct download from Microsoft.com if I can find it. But yeah, that's all the time I can give you guys. But a good tip: try not to screw up on your Microsoft examination. Microsoft exam can usually cost up to 2,600 or 2,700 if you look at certain pricing. Microsoft examination can give you two things: MTA fundamental badge. You have the MTA badge pinned onto your Microsoft account, and you also have a dedicated certification where you are completed a certain Microsoft courses, like for example server. You will get to build a server as well. But this is just an infrastructure of a simulation on how to get a server done. Anyway, the installation is done, and I'll show you some stuff. And keep in mind, Karen Dong is my trainer on Microsoft, so I would pretty much thank her for everything, and she did a very good job, honestly. And I have to say, she is certified enough to train me, and I'm happy to be her student. Until next time, well, I don't know when I can see Karen Dong, but I will definitely message her if she's around, and then I will go ahead and ask her if she wants to get a cup of tea or something. That's the kind of things that um what you can do with a lecturer and what you can't do with a lecturer. So you can go ahead and enjoy. And keep in mind, I will be doing another live stream, not Left 4 Dead 2, but I will definitely doing live stream with Call of Duty Mobile, and I definitely might consider Lego as well. So until next time, bye guys.